Alright guys, this is Jake's B right here, and we're doing our first unboxing for this channel, and we're featuring my steering wheel setup. Alright, let's get started guys. First off, we got my steering wheel, bought online. It came from a guy from Sacramento, so I'm gonna open it right now. Ta-da! It's a Momo Monte Carlo yellow stitch right here. You can see right here. I don't know if you can see it. It's all that yellow stitch and complete with button. I like how this steering wheel feel. It's very grippy. Perfect for my autocross events. Yeah, and it's also complete with the Momo etched logo. It makes you feel original, I guess. The letter's not quite bad too, but the reason why I bought this is because David owns one, but his isn't close as the condition as it is right now. It's brand new, but the cons of this is that the yellow stitch actually fades easily. So his faded like white now, so but for me you still see the yellow. I don't know if you can still see the yellow right here, but I like this steering wheel. Alright, putting that to a box. I want to preserve it, you know. That's the reason why I bought a quick release, because I don't want it staying the same. I don't want it to fade. I don't want it to fade to white like David. So I learned it from him. They say. So yeah. And the quick release right here. I don't know if you've probably seen it on my Instagram story, but this came off from Japan. Has that fragile sign right there, and came from Japan. Got that Japanese letterings right here. EMS, I guess. Let's open up. Box cutter required. It's useful on unboxings. It's spring loaded. Came off of my work. Let's see, howdy. It's a lot of tape. Must have been really fragile. I just can't wait to open it. I don't want to damage something though. It would be bad for the internet to see that. Ta-da! First, we're gonna start off with the short hub. Like with styrofoam, of course. By Worksbell, you can see. Honda 210S, that means the part number is for an EG and a DC chassis, so we're good. It fits our Del Sol. My Del Sol is an EG too, so definitely fit. Ooh. Japanese manual. Japanese manual. Can't really understand it. Ooh. Fancy. Alright. We have the slim hub right here. This is actually the one that's attached to itself, and this one is for the horn button. By the way, my horn in the Del Sol doesn't work. I'm gonna have to figure that out before I put this setup. And here you go. This one attaches to the clock spring, this area right here. The functionality of the steering wheel depends on that, because the electric current to the horns, to the cruise control, and to the airbag is actually connected in there. I got some hardware in here to attach it, and some grease. So yeah, that's it for the slim hub. This one is the actual works bell quick release, and here we go. Oh, you tear my seal, but I got the seal turned off. Probably lowers the JDM value of it. Here you go. Here's authentic Brooks bell again. We got the barcode right here, and yeah, I don't know what this is. Manual, cross-section diagram, metal plates for, I think, the horn. Whoa. Alright, here's the Brooks bell assembly. Got it's black. I got it on black because it matches my interior goals. Made in Japan. And this is how it works. You press this little knob right here to release it with your steering wheel. Let's see if we can. Oh, I got it. That's how it does it. So yeah, just pull this thing off. Right here, the flipper is already punched in. So yeah, here's the inside where the bearings lock. These bearings right here are spring loaded, so there's no play in here. Like, Brooks Bell is actually the first company to make the quick release setup for steering wheels. So the reason why I got this, because one, my steering wheel fades quickly, like I said before, and two, is for security settings, because there's more roadblocks when thieves try to steal your car. So that's why I got this quick release setup. Then you might also ask why I didn't get a NRG. It's cheaper, you know. You're not paying JDM tax, but it's because honestly, it's because of quality. I just like the original one. Don't get me wrong, NRG makes good products too. I would have got their slim hub setup, but it's good to stick with the best, especially safety wise, where there's some videos in YouTube and social media where steering wheels gets popped off while doing autocross or track events, and I just don't want that. I just want a guarantee where, like, my steering wheel won't get popped off. So that's good. So, and there you go for my quick release setup. So you might be asking, how much did I pay for this stuff? In total, I paid $432. But when you order it on Evasive Motorsports, or any US distributors, you're probably gonna pay like a hefty price. This thing probably costs around $700. I know I've seen it in Evasive where it's $700. Password JDM's more than that, and you still gotta wait to arrive from Japan. So it's a hassle, but I found a way to get the parts I need, especially like this, for a small amount of money and just a little patience, you know. So if you want more information about that, I'll probably link a link below,
It's actually a proxy service by this guy is doing. I'll probably also make a video about it. So well, that's it for the first unboxing for this channel. I hope you guys liked it, and I can't wait to put this on my car. And yeah, all right, Jakes B. See you guys later.